Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on almost any PC. So let's do it guys. First of all, we need two files, Windows 11 and Windows 10. So we type in Windows 10 tools and we're gonna go to a Microsoft site. Here you can see Windows 10 May 2021 and tools. We need this tool, not updating, okay? You download this on your desktop or anywhere else, anywhere you want. And then we have to find Windows 11 tool, the same, but for Windows 11. You're gonna go this way. And we have three options, I think, here. You see, we have Windows 11 Installation Assistant. We have Create the Windows 11 Installation Media. And we have Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Okay, if you have a newer PC, like 2020, 2001, with a TPM version 2 chip, and the supported processor, the first thing is good for you because you just install or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. But if you have old computer like my computer, the first will not working for you. The third will not working either. We need this, and I will explain why. We download both of them to our computer. We need to download a Windows 10. The things you need is a Windows 10 ISO file created by Media Creator Tools and the Windows 11 ISO file created by Windows 11 Creation Tools. You use this, create installation media, USB flash, DVD ISO. You uncheck this because otherwise it will create for this computer. You don't need that. Maybe you install to, on another computer. Choose your language from here. Then Windows 10. You have one choice. And architecture, I think you need to choose 64, or if you need 32, so you can choose this one. Anyway, we just go to the next level, and here we have to choose this one, because sometimes if you choose USB flash, it will fail and you have to start over again and again. That's painful. So choose ISO file. It will make an ISO file somewhere in your document or desktop or anywhere. You can just write Windows 10 and save. It will take some time and you will have Windows 10 on your desktop. I already have this, so I don't need these things. Just close this. The same for Windows 11. I will run that too, so you can see it's the same as Windows 10. Okay, language. And Windows 11, just one edition is. I think you cannot find Windows 11 32-bit anymore, and you have to have this one. Anyway, click next. Here, choose ISO file. Write Windows 11 and save on your desktop or anywhere you want. Okay, guys. Now, in this part, I will explain why and how we do that. For old system or old hardware, you need to bypass the TPM check or the health check, I think. So you have to skip those, otherwise you cannot install Windows 11 on your computer, on your older computer. That's why we create Windows 10 first, and then we change or replace a file inside the USB installer. As I will show you right now, I have the USB installer. I have Windows 10 USB installer, and I replace it with Windows 11 file. So this is actually Windows 11, but sometimes it shows Windows 10, but it's okay. It's just bypassing the TPM check and health check. I insert it on my computer. So I'm gonna show you what file we need to change in here. I'm not going through this setup, so I just want to show you. There is a source. I rename it to Windows 11 here, if you see. This is actually Windows 10. And what I changed from Windows 11, I moved from Windows 11 to Windows 10, it was this file. It was install. Where is that? Install file. This file this is from Windows 11, and I removed Windows 10 install ESD and then replace it with Windows 11 install ESD. So this came from Windows 11 to Windows 10 USB installer, and that's it, guys. You don't need to do anything else. Just put this inside the source file of your Windows 10, and this came from Windows 11. You remember that. This file is from Windows 11 to Windows 10 USB installer. That's it, guys. You don't have to do anything else, and then you can install this to any PC, almost any PC. If you want me to go through all this processor, please leave a comment in the description, so I will make another video with details. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, night. Bye bye.